Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon and best wishes to all of us. I would like to thank Borobudur International Symposium for giving me the opportunity to present my article entitled A Literature Review of Coding for Early Childhood. The author of this article are myself, Reza Edwin Sulistianing Tias, Prasetyo Yuliantoro, Dian Astiani, and the last Komisah Nugraheni. Immediately we start with abstract. Coding is an important skill in the 21st century. As the root of the coding, computational thinking should be built first as a foundation. This article systematically searches articles about coding for early childhood. A total of 9 articles discussing coding for early childhood, tools used, and influences on early childhood development. The article was selected based on published year classification, age group, and learning outcome. The result found that the introduction of coding for early childhood can be implemented through plug-in and unplugged activities. The impact of coding on early childhood development can increase cognition ability, communication, collaboration, creativity, executive function, there are planning, completing tasks, and decrease inhibition. Background: early childhood is currently in an environment that uses a lot of technology. There are handphone, computer, refrigerator, automatic door, automatic lamp, etc. Whereas digital technology knowledge, understanding and skills such as coding literacy will form the basis of the digital literacy practices that children will use when switching to school. Computer programming is becoming an essential skill in the 21st century. Computer programming is a list of instructions that contain step by step what to do computer. Computer programming for young children has grown in popularity among both educators and product developers, but still relatively little is known about what skills children are developing when they code. The introduction of coding in early childhood and primary school education cannot be separated from the role of teacher, but the teacher's understanding of the introduction of coding faces various obstacles, including 1. Some teachers still have the misunderstanding on the concept of computational thinking. 2. Lack of pedagogical content knowledge and content knowledge are major challenges teachers have in teaching coding. 3. Non-cognitive factors such as anxiety, confidence always influence teachers' teaching, which cannot be neglected. And 4. School culture plays an essential role in involving. Therefore, through this literature review study, we'll answer the following question. 1. How does coding apply in early childhood education? 2. What visual programming language can be used to introduce coding in early childhood? And the last, what is the effect of coding on early childhood development? Method. The data collection method in this article focuses on coding research studies for early childhood published from 2015 to 2020. The databases used for the search include Google Scholar, EBSCOhost, Sage Journal, ProQuest, and Taylor and Francis. Keyword used to search: there are coding, computer program, computational thinking, combined with early childhood, kindergarten, preschool, early years, and first grade. The result: Variable year of the data, their material 2015 until 2016, amount 1, 2017 and 2018, amount 4, 2019 and 2020, amount 4. Sample population, kindergarten, we found 4 articles. First grade, we found 1 articles. And then variable method, there are mixed method, we found 2 articles. Experiment, we found 3 articles. And literature review, 4 articles. Technology use, Scratch Junior, 4 articles. Charterbot 1, Code.org, 2 articles. Kibo Robotics Kit, 1 article. And combine Scratch Junior and Kibo Robotic Kits, 1 articles. A learning outcome, there are problem solving, cognitive abilities, children learning and inhibition skills, communication, collaboration, and creativity, each 1 article. Coding for early childhood can stimulate with 2 activities. There are unplugged activities and plug-in activities. Unplugged activities, pre-coding activities can be done by introducing command language such as up, down, backward, and forward, right and left. According to Lee, unplugged activities stage include using directional word or directional arrows. Move forward, move backward, turn left, turn right, and then using sequential words, first, second, third, etc. Combining both directional and sequential words and connecting with grids. Kindergarten educators have focused on robotics and computer programming as method of teaching academic skills to kindergarten through hands-on activity with new technology. There are Bboot, Kibo, Kit Robotics, and then Charterbot, the last Lego bricks. For plug-in, are the process of introducing coding in early childhood who use computers. The level for early age is at level 0, age range 2 until 7 years. Activities for level 0 is drag and drop or simpler. This is planning a sequence only, requires no abstraction. And level 1 for age range 5 until 10 years, the activity is drag and drop, requires no abstraction. Tools that are at level 0 and 1 to introduce coding in early childhood are Scratch Junior and Code.org. Scratch Junior is a developmentally appropriate learning tool to introduce fundamental concept of computer programming or coding to children aged 5 to 7 years. Scratch Junior enables children to create interactive stories and games by snapping together graphical programming blocks to make characters move, jump, dance, and sing. For Code.org, students can easily form a string of commands by clicking and then dragging blocks in Code.org. The impact of coding on early childhood development. The coding course had a positive effect on the non-verbal cognitive abilities of the participating children, but the problem-solving skills were statistically insignificant. Coding not only improves children's ability to solve problems, but also executive function. They are spending time planning to solve standardized planning tasks and to inhibit prepotent responses. The introduction of coding from an early age can support communication, collaboration, and creativity in the classroom. For the last, our conclusion are coding is becoming a new literacy in the 21st century that can be introduced from an early age in early primary school. Mastery of computational thinking, problem solving, and critical thinking are the capabilities that must be mastered to perform coding. So we can introduce coding for early child education with two activities. They are plug-in activities that use tools on the computer include Scratch Junior and Code.org, and then an unplugged activity is an activity without using a computer. The introduction of coding for early childhood can encourage a variety of children's ability, including cognitive abilities, executive function, problem solving, communication, creativity, and collaboration. That is our presentation paper. Thank you very much.